Hi, in this video we will see how to create a stocked bar chart using Power BI. So I have a sales data set here. In the sales data set, I have six attributes like date of sales, product, quantity, sales amount, salesman and state, right? So we are going to create this stocked bar chart. So look at the data. So I have these attributes, right? Date of sales, I have day, month, and then year. And the state, I have different states, and the salesman and the different products he sold, and number of quantity, and the revenue sales amount is generated for the quantity sold. So this is my sales data set, right? So we'll see like how to create a stock bar chart using this data. So first you have to click on the stock bar chart icon, then the empty stocked bar chart will be created here. You can expand it for a better visibility, and you can you can come this area and see like what are all the options that you have. You have y-axis, x-axis, legend, small multiples, and tooltips, etc., right? So let us take uh, product in the y-axis, okay, and sales amount in the x-axis. You'll be able to see for each row how much the sales amount has been generated for each product, right? So this information you will get it here. So for now you see there is no data points appearing in this particular bar chart, right? For that you can click on this chart and go to this format visual area, and you can navigate to the data labels, and you can just enable it. So once you do that, you'll be able to see the uh, sales amount in numbers, right? Yeah. And if you hover over your mouse here on each bar, you'll see product and the sales amount. So you can also add, this is a kind of tooltip that you see right now on the right hand side, and if you want you can add more tooltip for this stacked bar chart, right? I'll quickly show you how you can do that. Here you have a tooltips, right? And you can select the quantity to the tooltip. So when you hover over your mouse on each product, right, you will be able to see the quantity as well. We just added a quantity. At the end, you'll be able to see some of quantity, right? So this is how we can create a stocked bar chart in the Power BI. So if you want, you can also add a slicer to your stocked bar chart. So once we click on the stocked bar chart, I mean the slicer icon, right? The slicer will be generated like this. You can place it here, and you can add this particular state state to the slicer. When you click on a specific state, your data, your stocked bar chart data elements will change. So this is interconnected. Whenever you associated with a slicer, when you select the data point within the slicer, so accordingly your stocked bar chart will react, right? Yeah, I hope this video is useful to you. So going forward I will share more knowledge on multiple visuals that we have on Power BI. So if you are first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the timely notification.